What's going on YouTube? Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do a blowout with a high fade haircut. So what I'm doing right here is taking out my Andy's T eyeliners to start off the first guideline, which is at the start of the hook and above the ear.
See, I don't know.
Right after that, you want to flip over the clipper just to take out the hair under the first guideline.
You bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing.
What I'm doing right here is taking my BABYLISS Pro shavers just to shave down the stubble which I created with the first guideline.
I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. My head has been spinning, I might need a minute.
Right here I'm using my NVLIs to start off the second guideline with no guard, clipper closed, and I'm going up about a ½ inch.
Won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true.
Now I'm going back to the Andy's T eyeliners just to flick out that dark line that I created making the first guideline.
Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it, if you bout it. Don't give a fuck if you're involved.
And if you can't take out the dark line, just take out your shavers and flick at it once again.
Don't act like you are doing a favor.
Using my zero guard, I'm going up ½ inch with the lever closed just so that I can start my fading process.
I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bad it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you
right here, I'm
back,
using no guard with the lever open just to flick out any dark spots that I see.
be the one to relieve your stress when we talk about sex. She unzip that dress, bless. Maybe one day I could take it, give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it, and I don't like to fight.
Now I'm using the #1 guard with the lever open just to knock out the hair on
See the
top.
Mike and Nikes, and if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See,
Yeah.
I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it, if you bout it. Don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm
Right here I'm using my zero guard with the lever closed so that I can flick out any dark spots that I see.
act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know.
With the back of the head, it can be a little tricky, but it's the same exact process, just follow the guideline.
You bout it, yeah.
Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second, girl. Don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man, but that shit is cool, right? And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit. You could be the one if you wanted to, or you got games, you could keep that shit. Girl, come and let me know what you wanna do.
Be who you wanna be. I will not blame you. Do what you wanna do. Don't wanna play you. If you would come with me, then I would take you anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him, you'd be sure to see in that I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it, if you bout it. Don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it, if you bout it, yeah.
see a lot of dark spots that I can't get out, so I'm using my Andy's T eyeliners just to flick those out. For the side of the head, it will be the exact same thing. Right here I'm using the corner of my blade to actually find some dark spots that I can't get. Now lining up the hair, I always start with the sides. Now lining up the front of the hair, you really have to be careful and follow the natural flow of his hairline. Now with using the razor blade, you really have to be careful because if you don't pull back the skin and if you don't hold the blade at an angle, you can't cut the customer. Now doing this haircut can take some time. If you practice enough, you can get this right. Thank you for watching my very first YouTube channel, and I really hope you guys liked it. I really want to know how I did, so please say anything in the comment section below and please hit that subscribe button.